In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 with external APIs. We'll walk through a simple example using a payment provider, so you can follow along and then apply the same approach to any other API you want to connect. By the end, you'll understand both what to click and why you're doing it. First, open your Base44 workspace and head over to the app you want to connect. This could be an app you've already created or a new one you've just started. In the app list, find the correct app and open it in the editor or preview mode. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the right app is important, because any changes you make will only apply to this specific app. Once you're inside the app editor, look for the section where you can configure integrations or data connections. In many cases, this will be in a panel or menu where you can add a new API connection. In our example, we're going to connect to a payment service. So imagine we're connecting to something like a Stripe API. In the connector or integration field, you'll typically see a prompt where you can type something like "connect this API from Stripe." This is where you define what external service you're connecting to. Select or confirm the option that matches the payment provider you want. Next, you'll be asked to enter an API key. This is a unique code generated by your external service, and it's what allows Base44 to talk securely to that service on your behalf. To get this key, you'll need to go to your account on the provider's website, open the developer or API settings, and copy one of your secret keys. When you paste your API key into Base44, double check that you've copied it completely with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't paste it in random documents, and avoid showing it on screen if you're recording or sharing your workspace. If you ever think it's been exposed, you can always go back to your provider and generate a new key. After entering the key, make sure to save or confirm the connection in Base44. If the platform offers a test or ping option, use it to verify that the connection works before you move on. Once it's confirmed, your app is now connected to that external API, and you can start using it to power features like payments, data retrieval, or automations inside Base44.